Hello, I'm Marshal Willick with another recent advance opinion. Smith versus Zilverberg, advance opinion number 7 from March 7, 2021, involved consolidated appeals from district court orders granting an anti-Slapp special motion to dismiss and awarding attorney's fees, cost, and statutory damages. Appellant Smith challenged the district court's finding that these provisions shielded respondents Zilverberg and Egan against liability for allegedly defamatory statements they made about him on social media platforms. He also contested the district court's conclusion that Zilverberg and Egan were entitled to the attorney's fees and costs they incurred from the beginning of the proceedings. Lastly, he challenged the district court's determination that Zilverberg and Egan were both entitled to an additional discretionary award of $10,000 each under the anti-Slapp provisions. The Nevada Supreme Court held that the district court properly applied NRS 41.637 sub 4 and the factors outlined in Shapiro versus Welt in determining that Zilverberg and Egan statements were made in good faith and addressed an issue of public concern and were therefore protected under the first prong of the anti-Slapp statutes. It also found that the district court correctly determined that Smith failed to make a prima facie showing of actual malice as required under the second prong of the statute, and that the district court did not err in awarding attorney's fees and costs because under NRS 41.670 sub 1 sub E, if the court grants an anti-Slapp special motion to dismiss, a prevailing defendant may recover attorney's fees and costs incurred from the inception of the proceedings. Lastly, the court held that the district court did not err in awarding Zilverberg and Egan each an additional $10,000 because NRS 41.670 sub 1 sub B authorized an award of up to an additional $10,000 to each individual defendant who prevails in an anti-Slapp special motion to dismiss. The case continued the Nevada Supreme Court's recent hostility toward defamation actions. Regardless of your opinion as to defamation law, it's a good idea to keep up on the recent authority on the subject.